previously recorded. Alright, so now we got our sweet potatoes. What I did was I boiled my sweet potatoes with the skin on, and then let them cool, and then I was able to pull the skin right off of them. That way you ain't have to be peeling your sweet potatoes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start. Okay, so y'all see all those strings? See, that's what you want to get up out of there. You don't want this in your sweet potato. So I'm going to rinse these off and then keep mixing a little bit more to see if I get any more out of it. Alrighty, y'all, this is the sweet potato bread as it has come out of the oven. It's still hot. I have baked it for an hour and 10 minutes. Good morning, y'all. It is the morning of our sign-in for the house. We is on our way. But first of all, we got to put on us a show. A photo shoot for y'all, because you know, we looking our Sunday's best, you know what I'm saying? So we gotta put on us a photo shoot. But honey, your sugar boo had done kept this a secret long enough, child.
We out here, man.
There goes my boo right there. So let me go on and take his pictures, video, and all that stuff of him. Come on, boo. It's pictures here. I mean, this video.
Come on, give me 15 more seconds.
What I'm supposed to give you, man? What I'm supposed to give you? What I'm supposed to give you, man? Stand up, stand up, stand up.
Right, man. Something wrong with it, man.
We're going in. We're going in, y'all. We're going. You ready, babe?
Ready as I'm ever gonna be.
But they put it on, we went by the house.
We got the keys, keys, keys. We got the keys, keys, keys. We got the keys. So excited, the best experience ever, y'all. Buying a house, like, oh my goodness, like it was the best, y'all. Lots of paperwork, but it's better than renting. It's a better feeling than renting because at least we know now that we is going to our house. Our house. My house. My husband's house. Our house together. Ain't nobody gonna come get our shit. They can't tell us get out all that good stuff.
They can't tell we gotta move that much.
Shit, they can't tell us nothing. They can't say we finna sell the house, y'all gotta go. They can't say none of that, y'all. Best feeling ever. I thank God though. I give God all his glory because God's the one that deserves it all. God set us up for just what we deserve. They is amazed them own selves at what we got, y'all. God did his thing. He showed up and he showed out, and God, I give you all your praise. I thank you, Lord, because you did the do. You did your thing and gave me and my husband exactly what we asked for. I was scared. My husband knew that's what he wanted, but I was scared. And the mortgage people, they told me I did a good job. So if I can do it, Poe Tiana can do it. If I can do it, if my husband can do it, then you can do it.
Gorgeous!
Ain't nothing to it, but to do it. Don't be scared. Put that foot forward and believe in God and know that He gonna give you the desires of your heart and exactly what you need. Because one thing about God, He ain't gonna put too much on you that you cannot bear, and He didn't do us like that. So God got y'all. Go on and get you something and that you can claim as your own, because you're gonna feel that much more about it. All right. Now, how do it feel, babe?
Boss shit. How I feel, man.
Huh?
Feel good, boss shit.
It does feel good. It does feel good.
Hold on there.
My baby opening his door. Open your door, boo.
Humboldt Castle! What up, though? 5150!